Good morning. I have a day of training today, so this is definitely one of those cleaning sort of days, and I thought I would film it because I love watching these kind of videos. I find them really relaxing. To start off, I'm just gonna do my plants this morning. I need to see who needs a water and kind of give them a wipe down and all that sort of thing. Missing a cushion cover somehow. 4 went into the wash and 3 came out. I have got to start moving all these plants back now. If you're wondering why I water them in the sink, well, there's a lot. How many would I have? 1, 2, 3. There's 39 plants on this level of the house, and then we also have my office, the hallway, the bedroom. So because there's a lot, I either like to pull them out onto the balcony or I just chuck them in the sink or in a bathtub, and I just water them really well. You want to water your plants until the water is coming out the bottom, and it's very tedious for me to go around and do them one by one, especially because some of the pots that I have my plants in, it would just seep out the bottom, and I don't want it going all over the furniture and the floor and that sort of thing. So what I try to do is put them in a place where it doesn't matter. I'll just water them through thoroughly and the water can just run out, and then when the bottom is like relatively dry, I can move everything back. I'm just making some granola. The recipe for it, if you guys need a tiny bit of suspense, for this particular granola that I'm making, the recipe up will be in my next video, which is a meal prep video. feel like I've shared this recipe in another video before, but I'm gonna make myself some turkey meatballs because it's about lunchtime. Oh, and fun news, I'm actually, I don't know, I hadn't been up to Brisbane in like a year, and then in a vlog I did maybe like 3 or 4 weeks ago, I went back to Brisbane to get my tattoo worked on. Now I'm going back up again. I'm getting my tattoo worked on. It's also one of my really, really good friends, Sherry's birthdays. We're hoping to get the sleeve finished, but I don't know how that will go. We've got to do my wrist and we've got to do the all inner upper arm, which is gonna suck. It's gonna be such a shitty spot, and I'm literally getting it tattooed like the day before Sherry's birthday party. So we'll see how that goes. I feel like I always set these ridiculous quests for myself. An update, I still have not been able to find the cushion cover. I don't know where it's gone.
Finished training and I'm gagged.
The dog?
The dogs? They haven't seen me for a year. Hello. How much are they ready roughly? Like 20, 30, 50, 10, 5? Cool. So, I'll wait. What are sultanas?
I honestly thought making that many would give us like more portions, but no. And I'm gonna put it with some reduced salt and sugar barbecue sauce because I just feel like dipping it in that today.
First, you good? You could put it like against
I didn't want it pushed all the way back against the wall because it just felt too open. I don't know. Today is one of those days where I just wanted to remind you guys how important it is to rest, because I feel like I always get so many questions, particularly when I put one of those questions things on Instagram, and a lot of you are like, oh, you know, how do you manage to stay productive all the time? How do you know, keep on top of your schedule when you're so busy? And I used to be busy all the time. I used to make myself busy all the time and always have things on, and it took me a few years to learn that you have to schedule the downtime and you have to schedule the time off in order to be more productive in your time on. I'm not doing heaps today. It's sort of my day to chill out, but there was a little recipe that I put together the other week and I want to just edit the Instagram video for it. Was this a good idea?
Yes.
Except the rain.
You actually brought food to cater to what they've got.
Yeah.
He's gonna eat it.
No.
So we got, tell them what we got.
So that's my homemade granola with some plain frozen yogurt, and so that works out to be about 127 calories of frozen yogurt, and then my portion of granola on top.